and a totality of experience is our life. So Hindu Dharma tells you rationally, logically, scientifically, analyze everything prior to your understanding anything, I mean even the Vedas, Puranas, Vedangas, Itihasa, Darshana or Upaveda. Your responsibility to analyze it before taking that knowledge for converting them into wisdom. Some people used to ask me a question, where the spirituality and science come in Hindu Dharma? That question is a very, very important question. Perhaps it is the most important question, I would like to say. You know that Ishavasya Upanishad, it is the 40th chapter of Shukla Yajurveda. 40th chapter of Shukla Yajurveda might have written about 4 or 5 or 6,000 years ago in the present form. That Ishavasya Upanishad, 9th, 10th and 11th mantras give you the correct direction. Give you the correct direction. Vidyam cha, avidyam cha, yastat veda ubhayam saha, avidyaya mrityam tirtva, vidyaya mritamashnute. I would like to say that anyone asking you about Hindu Dharma, this Vedic message from Ishavasya Upanishad can be given as the answer to him. So we Hindus in the Vedic literature explain to you that Vidyam cha estat veda ubhayam saha. There are two types of knowledge. One type of knowledge, Vidya. What is Vidya? Eternal, experienceable, scientific knowledge. Vidya is eternal, experienceable, scientific knowledge. Avidya is external, experimentable, scientific knowledge. I would like to say once again, I think I have committed a small mistake. Eternal, experienceable, spiritual knowledge is Vidya. Eternal, experienceable, spiritual knowledge is Vidya. External, experimentable, scientific knowledge is Avidya. External, experimentable, scientific knowledge is Avidya. So, our rishis tell us that there are two types of knowledge. One is Vidya, spiritual knowledge. Other one is Avidya, scientific knowledge. They inform us that Avidyaya mrityam tirtva, Vidyaya mritamashnute. Use the scientific knowledge for overcoming the difficulties in our day-to-day life. Use the scientific knowledge for overcoming the difficulties, the pains and the problems in our day-to-day life. And Vidyaya mritamashnute. Use the spiritual knowledge for attaining immortality. Vidyaya amritamashnute. So, Indian rishis were scientists. Just like Albert Einstein used to say, the science without a religion is blind, and a religion without science is lame. So here we can say science without spirituality, spirituality without science. Hindus never advocate that. In 1930s, Albert Einstein was well versed in Bhagavad Gita, took the message from Bhagavad Gita. Jnanam vijnana sahidam yat jnatva mukhyate ashubhat. All the spiritual knowledge is to be analyzed through scientific pathway for avoiding yourself surrendering to superstitions. So, Jnanam Vijnana Sahidam. Jnanam spiritual knowledge, Vijnanam scientific knowledge, Sahidam together. Yad Jnatva, after knowing that, Mukshyate Ashubhat, you will get rid of superstitions. So, Albert Einstein gave this speech in Cambridge University about science and religion, plus religion and science, based on the messages of Bhagavad Gita. But now what I am giving to you is the message from Yajurveda. Vidyam cha avidyam cha estat veda ubhayam saha. There are two types of knowledge. One, eternal experienceable spiritual knowledge. Other one, external experimentable scientific knowledge. Use the scientific knowledge, use avidya for overcoming your problems in the day-to-day life, and attain immortality using the spiritual knowledge. This is the correct message of Hindu Dharma. I would also like to tell you another message given in the same book. Andham tamap pravishanti e avidyam upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo ya uvidyayam retaha. Those who are thinking that through spirituality you can solve all the problem, those who are thinking that they can solve all their problem through spirituality, they are leading themselves into blinding darkness. Andham tamaha means blinding darkness. Pravishanti, they lead themselves into blinding darkness. E avidyam upasate, e vidyam upasate. Those who are thinking that through vidya they can attain the highest level, or they can solve every problem, or they can pass through the hurdles and hindrances of the life by following only spirituality. If they think that they can do that through spirituality alone, then they are leading themselves into blinding darkness. Andham tamap pravishanti e avidyam upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo ya uvidyayam retaha. Those who are thinking that science can solve all their day-to-day problem, they are also leading themselves into blinding darkness. So the message is very clear. The message given about 5 to 7,000 years ago, they tell us that those who are thinking that science can solve all the human problem, and also those who are thinking that